Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, affiliate link will be down below. And if it's a website, their link will be down below. All links are safe. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. We're in holiday season. We got Halloween coming up. And then after that, Santa Claus will be visiting. So you might want to start looking now for Christmas gifts for yourself or whoever. We're about to check this out. What's inside? Don't know. But we're about to find out. Breo. Alright, what are you? Oh boy. Here we go. This is a neck N5 mini massager. I would assume. Do. Alright. That right there. Bada boom. Breo neck N5 mini. Alright. Breo neck massager. There we go. There we go. Left. Alright, here we go. The good stuff. Everything's out. Got that quickness. There we go. Put that to the side. You got the USB to give it a good charge. Hopefully it's charged so we could test it out right away. There we go. Usually they are USB. Back you guys up right there. You got the manual. So like I said, gift to yourself, maybe to your trainer. If you have a trainer you like or co-worker. Now these always do work good. Simply relax. I wish I could relax. Oh man. There's indicator light, power mode. I think this is an English side. Power button. Massage head. Charging port is there. This is what you get. Free hands gently aiding. Bionic massage. Definitely gonna come in use. Especially if you guys are doing a long night gaming on Twitch. Alright, let's take a look. Ooh, it's not too heavy. Feels like a car seat. Headrest. Whoa. Alright, easy there. Look at these death grips. There's USB. Here's the good stuff right there. Ay, caramba. Relax anytime, anywhere. I think we just put it over our neck. Oh, Breo. See? Breo. Still trying to... Whoa. Power is on. That's what it looks like. We're going to do warming. There's a light. That's pretty trippy. All right, let me put it on. There we go. There we go. You can see it over my neck. It feels good. I can feel the warm. Oh yeah. Definitely get one of these, maybe a couple for yourself. Oh yeah. Oh, I could fall asleep right now. Back to the action. And right here. Well, I could definitely feel it working. So, oh yeah. Like I said, I could fall asleep right now while filming. So hopefully I don't pass out. I needed this for sure. I need something for my hip. Because I think I threw it out again. So hopefully I don't need to have surgery. But you never know. But yeah, definitely if you're looking for something for your neck and other goodies, check them out. Link will be down below. They might have other massage things. So, but right now this is the Breo Neck N5 Mini. Different modes. They got the heat mode, which I'm using right now. And yeah, these don't feel as bad as like the other ones I had. I had like one of those foot massager things. I thought they're gonna break my ankle, but this feels good. I'll show you the strap. Oh, I don't want to take this off. Kind of looks like a seatbelt or a headrest for your car, or a fanny pouch. Ow! That kind of got my finger. Oh boy! Let me breathe. See, and then yeah, these are definitely a nice gift. See, it's kind of like a seatbelt. Oh, ah. But yeah, definitely lock it in. And I'll show you. Got it hanging and banging. But yeah, definitely cool. Like it comes with the USB charger cord right there. So you're good to go take it on the road. Especially the long road trips. If you're a truck driver. This would be a nice one to get for delivery drivers. Pretty much anybody. Older people. Look at that. It looks evil, but it's not. Actually, it feels really good. Really happy with this. So I'm going to make this my daily use. You know. And then just to relax. Especially when I'm typing. Doing computer work and stuff like that. Marketing and all that good stuff. I'm on a computer for hours. And then definitely needed something like this. So it does help. Does feel good. Check them out. Breo. Be safe. Have a good night.